You know what I'm saying? And that's the thing. When you really dislike a bitch, you probably not gonna cry when they die. I get what Mach was saying. But even when it's somebody that you don't know, when you see something happening like really, really bad, like a car accident, I would even start probably crying. But if I don't like a bitch, I probably ain't gonna cry if something happened to them. I'm probably just gonna feel bad, say my little prayer, rest in peace, and go by my way. But yeah, I do care about Breon. A lot of these people just really just in his business. That fake ass cry Charlie was doing. Fake ass shit Empress Child was doing. And when I lined with Empress the other day, I literally told her, get her fucking fetus, bro. This was just 3 days ago. What did Empress tell me, y'all? She not gonna talk about you no more. Ray, stop talking about her. She not gonna talk about you. The bitch wakes up today early in the Izzy AM talking about me. Like, goddamn. Oh, whatever. I took another drink. Okay, I took another shot. And what? I'm not taking another one. And what? Man, I'm not driving. I just said that I'm not driving. I do need to. Claiming me. What you mean claiming me? I know. I said if I take another shot of my drink, I'll let y'all come smack me. He waiting on his mom? Yeah. He needs to stay at the hospital anyways because he's hooked up the tubes. He can't leave. Nah, he ain't called me. My hair's so nappy, y'all. I got straight nigga hair. Like, fuck my mama. I got straight nigga hair. I can't stand myself. But, these are headphones. He broke his collarbone. I said his ribs was broke. I knew that. See, my supporter had told me that. Yeah, I know he went live earlier. Some moisture. How much did I collect? For Brian? Girl, don't worry about that. I spent that. Stop playing. Let's go on, baby. Y'all gonna know what I did with it Saturday. Wait till Saturday. You're gonna be like, what the hell's going on? I don't know what I did with it Saturday. But that money is gone, baby. I had to do my big one with that money. And that's why I say I ain't gonna talk too much. Because y'all gonna get that tea Saturday. Y'all gonna get all that tea Saturday. A microwave? Yeah, something like that. Well, I didn't use him. I got the money for him, but once I seen he went live, I went ahead and why it's not even filled up all the way? The hell, it's only filled up to right here. I should have looked at it. Oh, it is filled up. I did get a microwave. I didn't help Brianna with that money because I seen that he was doing good. So my supporters gonna be happy when they see what I did with it. And most definitely will be happy. It ain't go to no bullshit. Oh, it not go to no bullshit. He need money for food. I still got like $10 left. I sent him. And somebody just sent me like another 10, so I got a 20. Literally, it was only like $300, y'all. Shut the fuck up. Yes. What I spend it on? My car that I just got. The hell? And some other things. Rich, don't worry about it. You're going to see Saturday, like I said. You're going to see what happened Saturday. Bitch is mad. Show us my card. I think that shit. I gotta take that part off right there, but say bad bitch. Take that part off there. The other part. I think that you should appreciate me. Yeah, big body Benz. Just to start, baby. Benz. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. How much was my car? $10,000, bitch. Why you worried about it?